XRP, we start with one of our charges. I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the correction here before we look for the trade. And as we can see, we mentioned the possibility of the price, how deep it can go. As we can see, the price tag 1.34 this line, but this couldn't break. But right now, what we have here is a correction. The way is moving is a corrective move. If this one continue and retest this stuff, we cannot get any good trade setup. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, we move to daily chart. All right. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can expect to get the correction here. That means right now we're getting the correction is good. That means we can confirm the price for continuation. We can look for trade setup. And in this case, we move to forward chart. And even based on forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. We get, and mostly we can expect this one to enter deeper correction because the Wiz move is already corrective. That means still we can expect this one to give us one more drop before we get the next move. All right. In this case, still we have to wait because mostly if there is a continuation as a corrective move, we cannot get any good trade setup. If we move to 1 hour chart, it's more clear. Because even if there is a continuation, we cannot get any good trade setup unless we see the sharp move flag, or we can have it by having entry above this. And these two options is the times the price sharply continue from here. And the best thing is if we get one more drop, and the way is moving, we can expect to get one more drop. At least we will have the 3 waves, all right? Or even this one can turn to more complex, all right? Anyway, still we have to wait because of the way is moving doesn't give us any trade setup. But as I mentioned, if we get any sharp move flag, we can take the trade, or we can have entry above this in case sharply continue from here. But if this one continue, it, as I mentioned, it can continue as a corrective. If this one continues as a corrective, having entry above this is not valid. And mostly we can expect to get one more drop, either with a breakout of the previous low or not. Then from there, any reversal, we can like get really good trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And as I mentioned, still we can expect the price to drop to any of this level. Thanks.